Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, unfurnished house sitting on 13,163 square feet of land. It comes with kitchen, dining area, nice stairway, high ceilings with fans and lighting, veranda to relax and enjoy those cool days, garage, large front and backyard, and also AC units. It is also located in the community of Westgate Hills, which is close to schools, restaurants, and shopping areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 46 million or US $298.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.